And we are in front of an Westfalia Meridian based on the Ford chassis. And actually this looks pretty good because Ford Transit chassis and pop-up roof are not so spread out. It's called the Meridian 600D Limited. And this is actual spec sheet with actual specs and actual bedding and sitting situation with a total price of 98,365 euros. And I will be entering inside so you can understand how this Ford Transit van looks. We can check the standard Ford Transit chassis with the automatic transmission on that side, and then pretty large and comfy seating from this side, with this sitting getting up the wide big pop-up roof. And then we have a slide out situation for the fridge, not bad. And a standard Dometic 2-burner stove and sink. On this part we don't have nothing, just a LED light and the control panel. And then we have two cabinets with splitters. So actually 4 cabinets on this side and one large split cabinet on that side, and a small hanging unit to hang your clothes. And the actual bed situation, we will be measuring it right now with 2 meters on the longest part and 1.3 on the larger part. So this is kind of the situation with the bedding. But yes, you can sleep 4 people inside because there is the pop-up roof pretty high up there. Pretty nice. And looking it from the back, we have this situation with actual garage being from 1 meter to 1 meter and 2 deep, and from the larger part of the garage it's approximately 1.740 for this style. For the Ford Transit Westfalia with the actual pop-up roof Meridian Limited one. Nice looking and pretty high when you mount all of that.